A very big hi to everybody. Say hi, everybody. Come on, can I see some hands waving, some heads waving? Beautiful. Anyways, a big welcome to each one of you. A huge welcome. We are on day 4, and today it's going to be even more amazing. So how many of you are already having lots of fun? Day 3 days. How many of you have had lots of fun? Yeah, come on, show me hands. Thank you so much. Okay. Day 4, it's going to be even more amazing. You will be zapped because you remember 93%. You remember, right? 93%. All of you remember? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Our total focus will be on 93%. Okay. So anyway, I'm super charged, super excited. Okay, I'm just waiting. Okay, waiting for the session to move forward. But before we jump into the session, I want to do the thing which I love the most. Okay, is there anybody who's celebrating your birthday today? Write in your name in the chat box if you are celebrating your birthday today. As per English calendar, if you are celebrating your birthday, type in. Yeah. No one? That's okay. That's wonderful. No problem. Okay. Anyway, one thing, a lot of people ask me, Rajabhai, why do you celebrate? Okay. For me, simple thing is, Mayank, you are there. Can I see you waving your hand, Mayank, you need to switch on your video, Mayank. Suntaji, can you see him? I'm just trying to locate Mayank. I can't see Mayank. Are you there? Okay, my birthday is day after tomorrow. We'll celebrate a birthday today. Okay. Mayank is not there. Yeah, no problem. Okay. But one thing is, a lot of people think, sometimes don't feel like sharing their birthday today. They feel shy. For me, it's very important. The world should celebrate my birthday. How many of you think the world should celebrate your birthday? The whole world should celebrate your birthday. How many of you think that way? Yeah, beautiful. Thank you so much. बस मैं दुनिया में आया तो something special. Yes or yes? Come on, tell me yes or yes. Give a high five and say I am special. Come on. Give a high five and say I am special. Yeah, if you have a partner, when I say give a high five to your partner. Okay, you are lucky that you have a partner. People who do not have a partner, we do this. Okay, absolutely brilliant. Okay, thank you so much. Now, remember the other day I told you about how you can remember things for a longer duration of time. So we are going to go into that part, which is basically recollecting what we did yesterday. Remember 10 into 24. You remember the rule, right? 10 into 24. Yeah, you remember? Come on, show me hands if you remember your rule. Yeah, thank you so much. Beautiful, guys. Amazing. Okay, so it's called partner sharing. In Sarvatra, we call it partner sharing. Okay, what you're going to do is, today I'll take it to the next level. What you're going to do is, nobody will write. If you have a partner, each one shares for 2 minutes. Continue sharing even if you finish. Okay, I want you to continue share with each other. Okay, and people who do not have partner, look into the camera. Okay, look into the camera and share with Rajubhai. Okay, I want you to share with all your vigor. Okay, with all your moves and everything. I do not want people standing like this and what happened yesterday we learned. No, I don't need that way. We have crossed that. Okay, yeah, you people agree with me? We have crossed that level. Yes, absolutely brilliant. So I want, even when you are speaking to the camera, okay, listen, this is practice. This is a demonstration of what is supposed to come for you. Okay, what is on your way. So I want you to interact with me. So when you're interacting, I want you to be full of action. Okay, natak, drama, tamasha. Okay, let's do it here so that we get it right later. Yeah. So are you guys ready? Please stand up. Very quickly, stand up. Okay. So you have 4 minutes. How many minutes, please? Yeah. Thank you so much. This is your time. Remember, this is your time. Whether there is somebody or nobody, it doesn't matter. What matters is, are you able to, have you overcome your fear? That's very important, and that is where I'm working on. Okay, remember, no gyan, only experiential, practical. Okay, that is what we are doing. Okay, and when I say begin, please designate one partner A and B very quickly. If you are two of you, one is A, one is B, you decide who is A, who is B. And if there is a third one, see, you decide the timing. You people are smart, so you'll adjust the time 4 minutes. Okay, yeah. So partner B will go today first. Okay, whoever is B will go first today, and then A will come. After 2 minutes, I will say switch. So you will switch. Okay, done. So, and begin. Yeah, come on, share, share, share. And you are alone, share it with me. I want to see your hand movements. I want to see your body moving. I want to see you moving. Yes. I'm watching. I'm observing. Priyam, I'm watching. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, guys. I'm watching you guys. Yes, super. Diksha, a little more excitement. Wonderful, Avdi. Tuhi, wonderful. Both of you, wonderful. Yeah. Happening, guys. Don't worry about the camera. Pranay, come on, come on. I want to see you. Leave the water bottle when you're sharing. Forget all that. You need to give it your 100%. Beautiful, guys. I'm seeing you. Tishya, come on. Keep moving your hands. I want to see hands moving. Simply move them. And all those guys who have not switched on your videos, come on. Keep moving your body, okay? Keep moving your hands. This is very critical. And switch. Partner 2, who are single, you continue. You will once again, you will not stop, Baba. You will continue. You have extra chance. Yeah, partner A now. Come on, share. I do not want to see anybody idle. Yeah, come on, beautiful, guys. Super, bravo. Dianshi, wonderful. Avdi, beautiful. Darsh. Naman, going great. Come on. Man, yes. Little more excitement. Man, bring smile on your face. Yeah, beautiful, guys. Come on. It's happening. Super. Keep moving, yeah. Let your body speak. Let your body do the speaking, yeah. Big gestures, remember, big gestures. Beautiful. Last 20 seconds. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Keep going. I'm watching you. Kriyan, you don't have to stay still. Meet, I'm watching you. Start finishing. And stop. Give a high five and say you're amazing. This is beautiful. Please have your seat. Beautiful. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Come on, let's begin some energy. Let's begin with some fun. Yeah, brilliant, guys. Brilliant. Come on. I want to see you clapping. Yeah, brilliant. That's amazing. Beautiful. How many of you feel, when we do all this partner sharing and all, it's actually helping you learn a lot. How many of you feel that way? Yeah, actually, it's helping you recollect. Yeah. Thank you so much. This is the power, okay? This is the power when you are sharing with somebody. And that is why I always say, be with a partner, be with somebody. It makes a lot of difference. And you guys are doing great. I am watching those people whose videos I can watch, whose videos are, going live right now. You people are doing an amazing job, okay? Beautiful. Keep going, keep rocking, because this energy is going to help me enter into you and, seed those tips where you don't have to remember. It will be there within you. Everybody do this with me. It will be there in me. Do this. Yeah. Inside me. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. This is how it will go inside. Yeah. Guys, are you people having fun? Yes. Yeah. Super. Because next, today I have something very, very special for you. Okay. And you people are young, really young. Okay. I love young people. Today I have something very special for you. The message, you are getting at a very early age, which is beautiful, which will help you take your learning to the next level. So you want me to share with you my learning? Yes, very quickly. Do you want me to share the learning with you? Yes. An important tip of life as a student. Do you want to learn that? Yes. I want to see hands going up. Thank you. So I had asked you people to get 2 straws. If you didn't have, don't worry. I had asked you to make it with the paper. Yeah. Yeah. Take those 2 straws now. And I want you to take the glass filled with water. Yeah. Now I have ekashna, means I'm on fasting. So I have treated water or warm water, garam pani. Okay. You need to make sure you have a glass filled with water. Okay. Not full so that it will spill over you. Okay. And then the straws. So are you guys ready? Even if you don't have, don't worry. You keep watching Rajubhai. Okay. You be with him and you will go through the experience. I want you to feel. Be with me. Are you with me on this? Yes. Wonderful. So can we begin the exercise? This is a crazy exercise, but it gives something amazing. So what you are going to do is 2 straws are there, right? You people have 2 straws. Whoever has 2 straws, okay? Put 1 straw inside the glass, inside the tumbler, glass, whatever you have, and 1 straw outside. Only 1 inside, 1 outside. See, 1 end is inside, 1 is outside only. Okay. Then I bring the mouth of the straws which are outside the water together. Okay. See, 1 is outside, 1 is inside. Okay. And I want you to gently try sucking water. Okay. Try sucking water. Both the straws together, same height. Together you need to try. Try sucking water. Both straws together. Try together. Are you getting water? What happened? Type in the chat box. What happened when you try to suck water from both the straws together? Are you getting water? Type. Very quickly type. Yeah, paper straw also is okay. Put it inside and try sucking water. No water, no water. Yes, you are doing it right. Okay. Couldn't drink water. Yes. It's very, very hard. Yes, no water. Yeah, no water. Absolutely. Yeah, few of you are trying very hard and it is very little water. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, not working. Absolutely, it will not. Water will not come. Absolutely. Water is not working. That means you did it right. Absolutely. Keep the glass separate. Okay, away. In case you want to drink it, if it's a drinking water, drink it. Yes, can drink very little water. Now, when I did this, okay, see, me and like I told you, me and Sunita ji research a lot. Okay, how many of you know this point? Okay, we research a lot. We take less classes. Thank you so much. We study a lot. Very little I could drink. Can't. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Very little I could drink. Wonderful. No problem. Okay, this is how it is. This is what happens. Now listen to this carefully. I wanted to share this especially for you, for those people who are aiming very high in their studies and in their life. How many of you want to earn a lot of money in your life? Come on, raise your hands if you want to earn money. Yeah, honest answer, yes. Thank you so much. Beautiful. I love people. Okay, give a pat on your back if you have raised your hands for money. Okay, raise and say, wow. Yes, please pat on your back and say, good job. Yes. Thank you so much. So it's very important for us to earn money in life, of course. When money goes, don't go behind money. Simple as that. We need to restart again. That is what my mantra is. Yeah. Anyway, some other day I will explain to you. But important for you to understand here. Yeah, Vaibhav, you can ask your query. Type in your query. My team will read it and tell it to me. Okay. What happens is, listen to this very carefully. When a straw is inside and when one straw is outside, it's something like your attention. You know, I am focused sometimes, I am not focused sometimes. Okay. You're watching television and you're studying. Okay. You're watching mobile and eating. You understand? Yeah. Two things at a time. Okay. And mind you, we think it is happening. We think it is happening. We think we studied, but nothing goes into your head. Am I making myself clear here? Yeah. Let me tell you, even if you study for 2 hours, 3 hours with something else, along with something else, maybe sleeping and studying, it won't go inside. Why? Because you are not concentrating on one. If you want to drink water, what should you do? Okay, how many straws should you have? Now try with one straw. I finished my water. Yeah, absolutely. If water is come, okay, either you would have put a lot of effort, or probably you didn't keep the tips together. Something mistake has happened over there. I'll explain to you later. Okay, wonderful. So are you guys with me on this? Yes. Listen, important is focus. Thank you so much. Important is focus. If you are with me, be with me. Am I making sense? Yeah. A lot of students, see, anyway, with me it doesn't happen so much because I create so much hangama. People are there with me, but many times what I see is, when class is on, you are not focused. When you want to learn something, you are not focused. You will not learn it at all. Believe me, you will not learn it at all. You will not get the water. You will be thirsty. Worst more, you will die out of thirst. Believe me, yes, this is what happens in life if you are not focused. In fact, when we do counseling, how many of you are 10th and above 10th? Raise your hands. How many of you? If you are 10th and above 10th, type in me in the chat box very quickly. If you are studying in class 10 currently or above 10th, type in me in the chat box very quickly. Very quickly, type in me in the chat box if you are 10th or above 10th class, 10th grade or above 10th grade. Oh, that is quite a lot of you. 8, 9, that's fine. No problem. Okay. Listen very, very carefully. A lot of you. Okay. For youngsters, it is still okay. They can manage. But people who are in 10th and 12th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 10th and above, it is very, very critical for you. A lot of people count for counseling. Rajubai, what course should I take? Sundarji, admit people. What course should I take? Okay, Rajubai, science, commerce. We have an amazing time counseling with people. We get businessmen coming for counseling saying, Rajubai, ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. Okay, we do counseling. A lot of them come to us. Now, what is important for you to understand, one very, very critical, important aspect for you to understand is, we bring them focused where they should focus on. Okay, that is when they are able to get result. You understand? Are you with me on this? Yes. Thank you. If you focus on your strength, you will get amazing results. Are you with me on this? Yes. Thank you so much. This is what we help with people. And I wanted this very particularly, I wanted to share with this. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to share with you, okay, where you are in life. Okay, how can you be smart? Are you smart or are you not smart? Tomorrow I'm going to share that we have prepared a life chart. Okay, just 3 slides, only 3 slides, but amazing, amazing result. Okay, this is our last 10 years of tapasya, that we have put career in just 3 slides, whether you are in 5th standard, whether in 8th standard, whether in 10th, whether in 12th, whether you are doing business. These 3 charts will help you decide, develop, and take decisions in life. So how many of you want to see that chart? Just 3 charts, that's all. Thank you so much. And Sunita ji has explained so nicely in those charts. In fact, you will be shocked to see those charts. Correct, Sunita ji? Yeah, Suntaji is saying how we wish we take it to everybody. Wonderful, no problem. But that is going to happen tomorrow. Now here, let's come back to public speaking. Yeah. And today we have some crazy stuff. Remember 7, that Chundku, and 93 we have, right? Correct? Which one did you decide to go behind? 7 or 93? Which one do you want? Which one? Raju bhai, why are you asking this question again and again? It is 93, of course. Yes, of course, 93. In fact, one of my students said, see now, Raju bhai, I am focused. I said, wow, welcome to Sarvatra. That is why I like smart people. That is why I like teenagers. Okay, brilliant. So our focus, that 93%. Okay, and what we are going to do now is a crazy exercise. Let me tell you that 93% doesn't come without craziness. If you sit there like, sophisticated, manners, mummy told, papa, they taught me like this, school, you should behave. If you are sitting like that, 93 nahi aayega haath mein. Okay. If you are there with Raju bhai, if you are willing to travel with Raju bhai, 93 aayega aapke paas. So everybody, okay, fist, let us do a declaration. Fist, 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 like this, right hand. Okay. Fist, chest thumping, like the gorillas when they go to war, when they go for fight. Okay, this is how they do. I want you to thump your chest slowly. Don't break your rib cage. Ayyo. Yeah, slowly, yeah. And say, Raju bhai, we are with you. Say. Raju bhai, we are with you. Thank you so much. Okay, brilliant, guys. So here I take you to the crazy journey of 93%. And for this, again, what I need from your side. In fact, today, let me tell you, after the exercise, I'm going to give you some amazing tips which we have derived. Simple tips, but that is what makes 93% work for you. Do you want to learn those? Yes? Do you want to learn those tips? Very quickly, you will have to make notes of those. I'll give you, okay? I'll give you after this exercise, okay? Thank you so much. So now, when we do exercise, I want everybody to please stand up. Okay, that's nice. Brilliant. And today, see, you remember all the 3 days we are working with our body. Do people realize now? Yeah, we have been working. If you are working with, if I work with your body, move like the way I'm moving. Yeah, show me I work with your body. Show me. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, I worked with your body one. Okay, we worked in terms of our, delivery, in terms of writing speech also. Remember that we worked in terms of excitement, how to naturally get excited. Yes. Not when a dog is biting somebody else and no, we don't have to see such movies to get excited. I showed you, I experientially made you, excited here. Yes. Are you people with me? We learned it, right? Did you or did you not? Yes. Thank you so much. And today I'm going to take you to a very critical form. Okay. Now listen to this. When you're on stage, which part of your body will people see, look at? Which part of the body is visible a lot to people? Tell me very quickly, when you are on stage or when you speak, which part of your body is observed the maximum? Tell me fast. Which part of your body? Which part? Face, yes. Body, which part of your body? Whole body. Now, which specific part? Face, yes. Oh, you guys got it right. Okay. If I ask elders, no, they will tell what all answers. Okay. You guys, paka, straight bingo. Target, damar. Okay. Anyways, thank you. Okay. It is the face. Okay. It is the face because you are talking, right? People watch it a lot. 2 ways. Okay. One, either put a lot of makeup, okay, and then show it to people. One, that is when people will come to you. But that is the wrong way, because people will come to you for wrong things. Believe me, they will come to you for wrong things. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. A lot of makeup, if you use to get people or get, people like you, wrong kind of people will come to you. Yes or yes? Tell me honestly, yes or yes? Yeah. Thank you so much. See, I talk very openly because I understand all of you are very, very smart people. You understand you are with Raju bhai. If I don't tell you, others will not tell you. Believe me, they will not tell you. And I'm here to make sure you go to the next level, and that is why I'm here. Yeah. So, of course, face. So, how to make your face attractive? How to make your face look, pull people towards you? without makeup. Makeup karo acha hai, nahi karo acha hai, no problem. That's not my subject. I'm not good at that. I don't know when is the last time when I applied cream, some facial cream. I think in my marriage. That too jabardasti. Everybody told photo leta hai to lagana padta hai cream. After that, I don't know when I applied cream. Of course, there are times when Sunita ji does facial for me a long ago. Now, last 4 5 years, nothing I have done. Okay, I don't even. Okay, because I believe even then. Tell me, does Raju bhai look cute? Yes or no? Tell me honest answer. Okay, does Raju bhai look wow, wonderful? Yes or yes? Tell me. Give me a honest answer. Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Wow. Yes. 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 Come on, others. For the sake of making Raju bhai happy, at least you write no. Wonderful, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to teach you next is not just about public speaking. Believe me, it's not just about public speaking. It is much more than that. It is a science. Okay. It is a body science where how people will like you, why people will like you, why they will feel you are intelligent, why they would want to converse with you for all the right reason. Okay. And there is a method. There is a method, and this is what is also helpful in achieving that 93%. Okay. So everybody, who asked you to sit down? Hello. Whole class, I stand up and you have easily sit down. Oh my God. Look at this. Guys, everybody be standing. Okay. And this is called 2 parts to this exercise. And I'm very critical about this. Very important exercise, believe me. And I have not seen anybody till date make their student do this. I make them do it because I want that 93%. I want my students to get 93. I want you to get that 93. So are you ready? Yes. Come on, guys. Are you ready? Brilliant. So first is, okay, first part is called the eye movement. Okay. Eyes. Everybody, can I see your eyes? Can I see your, show me eyes somewhere? Don't remove it out and show me. Hello. Don't try that. Mummy mere ko maregi baad mein. Okay. Show me some, make some, some gestures with your eyes. Kuch to karo to malum pade. Eyes. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So what you are going to do now is, okay, you are going to work on your eyes. One, this is very critical. Don't take it lightly. Okay. And I am very critical. See, when you did body and all, I had a lot of fun. Oh, maja karo masti. But when you are doing today, I want you to focus completely. That is why I did the straw exercise, because I want you completely in. Okay. Yeah. What I'm going to do is, this is about your eyes. So only your eyeball will move. Okay. Your eyeballs, you will move those white and black structure inside this eye hole. Yeah. This is what you will do. Move in whatever way I say. Okay. So are you ready? Yes. Thank you. Okay. First is up. When I say up, look into the camera only. Your face should be facing the camera. Only the eyes should go up. Eyeballs should go up. Only the eyeballs should go up. Don't question why Raju bhai is making us do this. Do it, but that's all. Be with Raju bhai. Yeah. Look up. And come normal. Okay. Stop. When I say stop, come normal. Again, look in the camera. You people got it right? Yeah, you know what to do, right? Yeah, thank you so much. Next is, again, stand up. No sitting down. This is not about sitting down. I want you to stand up. Don't worry. My instructions will be very clear. You'll be able to do it, but I want you to do it. Okay. Look into the camera and now slightly move your eyeballs down. Look down. Only eyeballs, but your face should be looking the camera. You will feel a little giddy. Chakkar. It's okay. Done. Stop. Now move towards your right side. Not your face. Okay, only eyes. Only eyes, right side. Your face facing the camera, but eyes looking right. Normal. Stop. Okay. And now left. Look left. Thank you. Stop. Okay. हमने feeling a little चक्कर आ रहा है, कुछ तो भी हो रहा है, little strain is happening to your eyes. हमने feeling that way. Thank you. If you are doing it, then you are doing it right. Don't worry, you will not go unconscious. Okay. It's just that we don't use your eyes. That is the problem. We are not using eyes completely. That is why you are facing that strain. Don't worry, nothing is going to happen to you. Okay. Now the exercise continues. Okay. Yeah, standing and doing it. Okay. Look front far. Look something there. It is there. Like this. There far behind in an auditorium and standing in a stage in an auditorium of 200 people. Look at the last bench. How will you look there? Look that way. Thank you. Now stare at Rajubhai. Stare, Ghurna. Stop. Okay. Blink. Both the eyes. Blink. Okay. You know, na? Yeah, blink both together. Okay, blink. Stop. Now, if mummy, papa is there, please ask them to go aside because now I'm going to teach you Ank Marna, eye winking, right eyes first. Right eye, 8 Ank Marna hai sir. Wink your eyes. Yeah. Wink. Yeah. And now left eye. Only one eye, left eye. See what all, thank you. Stop. See what all Rajubhai teaches you. Ank kaise marte hai. Oh my God. Okay, wait, not yet over. Baba. This is only halfway. And now comes the funny part. Okay. Eye rolling. Round this way, that way. Okay. Eye rolling. Fully rolling this way, that way. Yeah. Roll. Stop. Thank you. Half eyelid close. Adha aankh band karna. Half eyelid close. Automatically your neck will come forward. I promise you that. Half eyelid close. Okay. Only half eyelid close. Half eye should be open. That's all. Yeah. Stop. Eyes wide open. Like devil. Booth. Wide open. Thank you. Okay. Now rapid blinking. Jor se both the eyes blinking together, rapid or single, whichever way. Rapid. Okay, fast. Yeah. Stop. Close your eyes. Everybody simply close your eyes. Now cover your eyes with your hands. Don't apply pressure, just normally. You should not apply pressure. Open your eyes. Yeah. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Give yourself. Okay. Beautiful. In fact, I was watching. Thank you so much. Keep standing. Abhi ek exercise aur ek baki hai. I was observing. I don't recollect the name because I was also doing with you winking. I saw somebody was trying to do like this. I don't know who that was. By the way, did you people have fun? Yes, tell me that honestly. Okay, did you have fun? Yes. This is very important. Let me tell you, rarely we use our eyes when we are talking, when we are communicating, and eyes are very powerful. In fact, when you come over, okay, tomorrow, when we work with one individual one-on-one, we work a lot with your eyes and individual parts, which make sure you use everything. That is how you'll get 93%. Just imagine eyes. How many of you already feeling a little pain in your eyes because you did so much? Okay. Honest answer, it's okay. A lot of you, in fact, I also used to get this, okay, when I did this. Thank you so much. Why? Because we don't use our eyes. We are not using our eyes, and our eyes are powerful. And how many of you realize that I use a lot of my eyes when I'm talking to you people, when I'm conversing? How many of you observe that? I use a lot of my eyes when I smile, when I shout, when I speak over my voice, when I smile. My eyes also talk along with that. Yes, you observe that? Brilliant. That is why you are able to be with me. Am I making sense? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Now I come to the second part of the exercise. Are you guys ready? Okay, this is second exercise. Very important. Very, very important. Okay. And I'm telling you, nobody teaches these things. Nobody teaches these things because they don't understand this. Last 10 years, हमारा 10 साल का तपस्या इस चीज में. Okay. Sunta ji, admit people in. Yeah. Now neck. I'm going to work with your neck. So are you guys ready? Next 5 minutes we'll finish this, but this is very critical. Are you people with me on this? Yes. Now we'll work on the neck. Yeah. Guys, you need to keep standing now. Okay. Stand, and same thing. The only thing is it's not with your eyes. Now we work with your complete head. So when I say up, look up, your complete head will look up. As much as you can. Okay. Stretch as much as you can unless there is some medical problem. Okay. Look up, look up, look up. Stop. Yeah, stop means come back to normal. Look down. When I say look down, your neck should touch your chest and look down like that. Thank you. Now right side. Look to your right. Apply pressure. It's okay. Apply little pressure as much as you can. Okay. And stop. Look to your left. Left, left, left. Left, left, left. And stop. Okay. Now front far. Now not your eyes. Suppose if you have 200 people auditorium, last bench, if you have to say, how will you see? In fact, you'll have to raise your legs, toes, beyond toes, and then look like that. I want you people to do it completely. Look back there. Those people, last bench, you can see them? Now you can see? Yeah, thank you. Okay. Now up and down, up and down. I will tell you why I'm making you do all this. Okay. Up and down, do it up and down, full up and down. Okay. Now right and left, right and left. Yeah, full. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay. Now front near. In that auditorium of 200 people, your friend is sitting in front of you. So how will you see? Correct? Say hello also, no? With your neck also say hello also. Okay. Now, right back, behind, right side. See there, right side, to your right side, behind, there is your friend. Now on your left side, there is a friend. Watch. In fact, if you keep your finger, your index finger like this, left hand, left side, it will be much easier for you. Do this. This is how you do. Okay. This is how you train yourself. Okay. Thank you so much. Now, right back. See back from right side. Try looking back from right side. Hello, kaun hai mere piche? Okay. And now, from your left side, look back, left side. Look back, left side. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Gently, very slowly slap your cheeks. And make sure your face moves. Okay. Now, other cheek. Your face should move along with it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, making circles with your head. Left to right. Make circles. And right to left. Yeah. Make it. Okay. No, I'm not making you do exercises. I'm teaching you public speaking. Okay. I'll tell you why I'm doing all this. Okay. Now, front to back. Front to back. Front to back. Front back. Front back. Front back. Front back. Do this. Yeah. Have some fun. Okay. Have some fun. It's okay. Okay. But do this. Do what you want to do, but make sure you don't forget to do this. Yeah. Thank you so much. And now look straight. I want you to look straight. Ekdam saavdhan, attention, and look straight. Look straight. Seriousness on your face. Straight. And give yourselves a huge round of applause. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Please settle down. Please settle down. Come back to your chair. Okay. Please come back. Please come back. Yeah. Now listen. Eyes and head are very, very critical, very, very important. Okay. Lot of people must have taught you, eye contact. You should have eye contact with people. Okay. What I did was made you experience how eye contact is done with people. I made you do people behind. I made you do it with people in front. I made you to look back. You're getting my point. Did you understand why I made you do all this? Yes. Yes or yes? Yeah. Thank you so much. See, for me, result is important. What is important, please? Keep telling yourself result is important. And that is why I will not tell you in words. I will make you do. I made your head roll up and down, okay? Because while speaking, you will have to do. Your words will come out, but high up. So you'll have to look up. That is what I trained you. I trained your head. I trained your eyes. Yes. Are you people with me? Yes. Give a high five and say, you are amazing. Yeah. Indeed, you guys are amazing. The way you people are participating, I love you guys. See, for a trainer, when you participate at 100%, that is beautiful. That is amazing. Yeah, Sundaji, I love people inside. Yeah. So, how are you feeling right now? Very quickly, type in the chat box. How are you feeling right now? Type in the chat box. I want to see how are you feeling. Okay, because I want to jump into the next section. Okay, which is my domain. Okay, dizzy. How many of you are feeling that? Yeah, how many of you are feeling that right now public speaking is very easy, Rajubhai? Actually, honest answer. Tell me honest answer. How many of you are feeling from the time you joined till now? I made it, Rajubhai. You have made it easy. Yeah. How many of you feel that way? Yeah. How many of you are comfortable now? Honest answer. How many of you actually feel comfortable now? Yeah. Thank you so much. I want your participation. I don't want you to give me serious looks. Oh my God, types. Okay. Or Rajubhai, jaldi chodo toilet. Yeah, come on, please be with me. Okay. Why? It's not about Rajubhai. It's the process which we have devised. Okay. In fact, when I look at few of you, it feels like maybe few of you have those traits. What they say, no, you already have it in you. For being some amazing speakers, for being some amazing trainers, you already have. Yeah, and this is what you need to learn. In fact, you need to learn the art. Few of you, I already see that happening. Beautiful. Anyway, so now remember 93. Whatever I speak, you should always remember 93. Okay. Everybody do the way I'm doing 93. Do this 93. Yeah, do this 93. I know it's crazy, but keep doing. Do it. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. And now I'm going to share with you. See, over the years, I've been taking sessions for hundreds of students, thousands of students. We have taken sessions, you'll be surprised, right from 2nd standard to 10th, 12th standard sitting together in one this thing. Yeah, I have taken such sessions. Okay. I have taken sessions for old people. I've taken sessions for, youngsters, young champions like you. I have taken session in English, Hindi, Tamil, Urdu. I have taken sessions, believe me. Okay. Kannada, how can I forget Nama Kannada? Okay. I have taken sessions. What I've understood is it's not about the language. Language is 7%. You with me on this? Yes? Language is only 7%. 93%. Oh, wow. And why I'm able to deliver, and believe me, everybody, whether it is ladies, whether it is gents, everybody is zapped when after my session. Okay, wow, Rajubhai, they say. Okay. Why? 93%. And now I'm going to share with you 3 tips. Just 3 tips. Okay. Of the lot of tips that we share, we train our students in. I'm going to share 3 because that is what time I have with me for, okay, with you. You want those tips? Yes. Do you want those tips? If you want, show me how many tips I'm going to share. Yeah, very quickly, show me. Because thank you. I'm going to share it with you. These are very powerful tips. Very, very powerful tips. In fact, okay, I wish I could show you. I cannot show you. But here where I'm standing, how many of you realize that, no matter how much I move here and there, I again come back to my position? How many of you observe that I stand in one standard place? Even if I move somewhere here and there, I will still come and stand in my place. How many of you observe that? Yeah. You know why? Because I believe standing, the position you are in is very, very important. Yes. So what I have done here is what Sunita has done is, Sunita ji has put a cross here with the plaster, abro tape. She's put an X here. You people can't see, but there is an X over here. Sunita ji, allow people inside. Yeah, there is an X over here. And I always come here and stand around the X. I will share the picture in the group. Can I share the picture in the group to you people? Yeah. Yeah. I'll show you. Because why? See, I have been doing training for the last 10 years. But even today, I do this because I'm training you for an hour. Now, what happens is standing in the center is very, very important. How many of you understand this? Standing in the center of your place, of your stage is very, very important. So many times what we do is we stand in one side. Just imagine if I stand here and take your lesson, will it be cool for you? In fact, it's not even good to look at, right? It's looking like somebody's peeping inside the class, correct? Yes or yes? Yes? Correct? Center. In fact, when you are video calling with somebody, with your relative also, half the time I see only one face, okay? Half the time I see only head talking. It's not about your personality. You should be straight over there. Even video calling, even casual talking also. Make sure you are visible properly, center. This looks beautiful. You people told Rajubai is smart. Why? Because I stand here. One of the reasons is this. And I'm revealing all the secrets to you. So when you go on stage or when you're talking on your video, when you're talking at, in the Zoom meeting, in your class, make sure you're in the center. You understand what I'm saying? This is a very powerful tip. How many of you feel, wow, this is very powerful tip? How many of you feel? Type in wow in the chat box before I jump into the next one. Next one is even more important. Type in wow if you think this was a very good tip for you people, okay? Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Remember, small things matter big. I am smart, not because I've applied makeup. I am smart because I'm standing in the center. I'm in the center stage. And how? If I forget, that is why there is an X, some indicator to show me that I need to stand here. You understand what I'm saying? Yes? Yeah? Beautiful. Now I come to the second one, okay? Somehow, I feel this one, people don't give so much importance to. But this is, believe me, very, very critical, very, very important. And what is that? Whenever you stand up or go to speak or you get a chance to speak, whether it is in your class, online class, whether it is in your school when you give some debate, whatever, nothing should be there in your pockets. Yeah, I don't have anything in my pockets. Empty. My pockets are empty. Can you observe that? Yes, my pockets are empty. Whether you're a boy, whether you're a girl, nothing should be there in the pocket. Okay. I have seen people, okay, they put mobile phones like this. Just imagine if I take class like this. Tell me, how do I look with, my butts projecting outside with the duster inside and, my mobile phone pulling my shirt down. Tell me, this is good or this is good? Tell me. Which is better? One or two? One with all the things in the pocket, two without those things. Which is better? One or two? One or two? Very quickly. One or two? One or two? Very quickly. Of course, two. There is no point. There is no price for guessing that. You look smart. Just imagine, okay, don't laugh, okay, because that is how I explain. Just imagine, already this is big. Just imagine I put some more things inside and make it look so awkward, okay. Just imagine I put all these things inside. It will be bigger. And the worst part is only one side is big, one side is small. Tell me, does it look funny or no? Honest answer, yeah? Funny or no? Yes, it looks funny, right? Absolutely. And that is why, listen, these are very, very important. These are very, very critical. Especially because you are teenagers, I am sharing this with you people. Why? I know you people will implement it right away. Just before, I also have a purse, I also have a mobile. But before coming to the class, I will keep everything away. I don't have anything. In fact, if I have to speak even for 1 minute, immediately my hands goes inside to check, if I have to speak in front of public, especially public, okay, people, I have to do a lot of talking. I make sure I remove my stuff and keep it aside and then give. This is pleasing. Was this powerful? Yes. Was this powerful? Was this useful to you? Yes. Thank you so much. So many times what you have is you have a bag hanging. Okay. You have, extra something or the other. You keep extra stuff. No, nothing extra. No baggages done except for your proper dressing. Yes. Makes sense. Yeah. And third point, very, very important point. Very, very important point. And after this, I'm going to share about 3 of our students, okay? Why? Because I want to show real life instances to you, real life examples to you. I don't want to show from internet. I don't want to show in America, in London, what happened. I want to show what happened with people like you, okay? Third point is, whenever you sit with confidence, okay? Yeah, don't sit, oh my God, don't call my name. Because many times, you know what happens is, the moment your name is called, huh? Huh? This is the reaction I see of people when their names are called, huh? No. Tell me, do you love your name or not? Honestly, tell me, do you like your name or not? Thank you so much. If you don't like, change your name. It's okay, because there's no point in living with a name which you don't like, honestly speaking. Yeah. Are you people with me on this? Yeah. You love your name. So when your name is called, when you do huh, what happens is, when your name is called, others will also do huh. Others will also do that only. I'm telling you, this is truth. This is fact. This is psychic, human psychology. I'm talking to you. So when your name is called, you should exhibit confidence. How many of you realize, many times I ask, Raju bhai, smart dikhta hai ki nahi dikhta hai? Come on, tell me. Did I ask you or no? Yeah, am I looking good? Do you people like? See, that is confidence. As if you say only then will I be smart. I am always smart, I know that. But the fact is, this is confidence. You agree with me on this? Yes? Thank you so much. This is what confidence you need to live with. Yeah? Can we move further? Because you know what, I'll tell you what confidence does to you. Okay, there was a person, there was one of our child who came to us called Tanish Shraf. Okay, Tanish. Now he came to us. He would be scared. He would feel shy. He would not talk to people. He would run away. You know what confidence does? Once you learn the art of public speaking, once you go through, the various things that we teach, what happened? Today, same Tanish Shraf, okay, not just he's, a leader in his school, but also what you need to understand is he conducts so many things. He plays cricket, so he's captain of his cricket team. What all happened? There I can go on and on. Why? Because of confidence. Are you people with me on this? Yeah. One, public speaking, it works on multiple things. Point number 2. Okay, point number 2. Nishta. I want to talk about Nishta. Okay. Okay. By the way, I'll be talking about the writing tips after this. Okay. Writing. I'll make your writing very easy. Very, very easy peasy. Okay. Already it's become easy for you, right? I'll make it even more easier. And there is always a challenge. Remember, never forego a challenge. I always believe the more challenges you take, the more you will grow in life. This is my word to you. Okay. So here, Nishta, nobody knew in her school except for her 2 friends. Nobody knew who Nishta was. Not even her class teacher, typically. Okay. Her mother, she came and said, Raju bhai, aisa kaisa chalega? And she came to 10th standard. Nobody knew. And guess what happens after learning this art? Okay, something very, very critical which I want to share with you. Nishta, what happened to her was, Nishta, what she did was, she was not visible at all. And what you need to understand, once she got her confidence, okay, once she learned this art of public speaking, what happened was, she went and gave a speech in her, you know what, 1 minute, I'm just letting people. In her assembly, and guess what happens? Entire school comes to know who Nishta is. He goes on to become leader of, her whatever leadership positions and all that stuff. In fact, today she laughs and laughs, and her mother comes and tells me one day, Raju bhai, maine isko itna hasta hua kabhi nahi dekha. You know why? Confidence. You understand what I'm saying? I'm sharing this with you people, because what confidence does, what confidence does is a lot. And where does confidence comes? It comes from your art of learning public speaking. Yeah, clear till here? And that is when I want everybody to learn. This has repercussions. Okay, Anyways, I can go on and on, but I have something else to give it to you people. Yeah. And here it is. Very quickly. Whenever you write a speech, okay, before that, okay, let me tell you that tomorrow we have something very, very special. And what is that special? Tomorrow, your parents are also invited into the class. Yeah, parents are invited into the class. Why? I'll share this with you because tomorrow I'm going to share some, because how many of you realize there is a lot of fights between you and your parents? So many times it happens. Yeah, they don't understand you, they feel you don't understand them. Yes, it happens. Yes, thank you so much. And especially as you're growing, there'll be fight. They will say science, you will say commerce, you will say something, they will say something. And tomorrow, you remember those 3 slides. I'm going to share those 3 slides with you. Okay. And I want parents also to be there tomorrow because I'm going to share those 3 slides with you. One. Point number 2, I'm also going to share with you how you can continue with us. You want, how many of you want to, Rajubhai to teach you something further, much, much more. Okay. How many of you want that? How many of you want to be connected with Rajubhai? Very quickly, raise your hands. Yeah. Thank you so much. That also I will share with you tomorrow. And what I'm going to share with you is going to help you understand, are you smart or are you not smart? We all feel we are smart. But tomorrow when you take that test, that will tell you whether you are smart or to what extent you are smart. How many of you want to take the test? Honest answer, yeah? How many want to, realize what your potential is? Yeah? Thank you. That will happen tomorrow, okay? That we will do tomorrow, okay? And by the way, parents are very, very critical, very important tomorrow. Yeah? Have I made myself clear? Parents needs to be there if you want them to understand the career path of yours. Anyways, now coming to topic for tomorrow. Yes, Suntaji, what is the topic for tomorrow? Yeah, very quickly tell me. I have taught you how to build a story. Yes, you people have learned that, right? We built unknown 5 letters from somewhere we have taken and we have built that. You people have done that, right? Yes or yes? Yeah. And now tomorrow, what I want you to do, okay? Now listen to this carefully. Listen to this carefully, okay? 2 things. You will do 2 things. First one being, tomorrow you will record one feedback, how you found these classes to be. Clear one? Yeah. 2 challenges for tomorrow. One is that, are you people clear on this? Your feedback. How did you find these classes? Okay. Now listen to this very carefully. There is the art of giving feedback. A lot of you, what you will say is, okay, the class was very nice. We had a lot of fun. And no, you should tell your name. Please understand. Okay. First, you should tell about yourself. This is how you build your brand. You understand? Only by giving good feedback, you will build Rajubhai's brand. But where is your brand? You getting my point? Yes. So you will tell about yourself. My name is, if I have to give, my name is Rajendra Jain and I'm studying in so-and-so class. Okay. I was super excited to attend Rajubhai's class. And when I attended, I learned this. It was fun, whatever. You understood first 2 lines about yourself. You understood? This is an art. And point number 2, what you are going to, second thing, what you are going to, second challenge for you, it's even more simple. I want to make it simple for you. Okay. The second challenge is, I have a dream. What is the second challenge? I have a dream. And it should be crazy, madness. Okay. Write about 1 or 1.5 page. 1 or 1.5 page. And that is what is required. You're getting my point? Yeah. Yes. Writing tips. In fact, I missed out. We have already discussed the writing tips yesterday. You people remember, right? I told you how to write a speech yesterday. Sit for 10 minutes. In fact, I've given it yesterday itself. In fact, I am ahead of my time. Okay. I gave you yesterday. Correct? You remember that or you forgot? exactly the same way you will sit down and do it again today. 10 minutes and your speech will be ready. Believe me, in 10 minutes, your speech will be ready. Yeah. Anyway, time is up. I don't know how fast the time goes. It's actually like time traveling. Remember, tomorrow your parents are also supposed to join us. Okay. If you bring them, I will tell them, how children are smart, how they need to be handled, how they need to be treated, especially the grown-up ones. Okay. I'll tell you, half of your problems will go away if you bring your parents tomorrow. That is my promise to you. Making sense? Yes? Anyways, I hope you learned a lot today. By the way, how many of you learned a lot today? Yeah, if you learned a lot, type in one word how you are feeling right now, because time is up. I cannot continue further because we have the next batch happening. Yeah. Thank you so much. Love you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.